Hi, we're on Botcherby Road. This is a 3-bed end terrace property. It's all been refurbished, lovely new bathroom, lovely new kitchen, great big garden. On the street you've got a place to park your car just off the road, and just go down, you can see the street scene. So let's go in and we'll take a look. Right, so we walk in to the property, we come up a few steps, there is a handrail. We see the stairs rising to the first floor, and then we come into the living room, and you'll see this laminate floor that's been laid goes from the hallway into the living room and through to the kitchen. So it gives it a coordinated look. All the walls have been freshly painted. Living room has lots of space for sofa, chairs, television table, and you've got a picture window looking out into the front there with that low maintenance front garden. Kitchen access from the back of the living room, and this is all brand new fitted, brand new units. We've got wall units, base units, nice work surfaces. We've got an electric oven, 4-ring hob, a ceramic hob. We've got an overhead extractor with a nice stainless steel splashback, stainless steel sink and drainer, and there's space there for your washing machine to get plumbed in. And over there, there's space for a tall fridge freezer. Okay, you get a little glimpse of the garden. We'll do that last, but there you go. It's quite a nice big garden. She's just been reseeded at this precise point in time. That's our door outwards, and there's a really useful storage shed, storage cupboard under the stairs, so you'll get your shoes, hoovers, prams, whatever, will all stored away nicely in there. Okay, so let's go and take a walk back through the house in the living room, and we'll go upstairs and we'll show you the first floor accommodation. Brand new carpets, again nicely painted on all the elevations as well, so it's all very fresh and airy. We'll show you the big bedroom first, so nice big double. This one has a view out over the front elevation, looking out to the street. The house is double glazed all the way through. We have gas central heating, so it's a nice efficient property. And you look at our website, you'll get its EPC rating and the council tax band. Second bedroom, this one is to the rear of the property, looking out to the rear garden. Sorry, you're just getting my reflection there. Then we'll show you that in a second. And this is a double, a smaller double in fairness, but plenty of room in here for bed, maybe a chest of drawers, smaller wardrobe. And then the third bedroom is a single. It's got some restricted floor space due to the bulkhead over the staircase, but great as a cot room, single room, perhaps a home office, maybe a dressing room, so multiple uses. And again, all nicely freshly painted and new carpets. And then if we take a look into the bathroom, this is lovely. So we've got nice new wall panelling with all the splash areas. We've got a vanity basin sink. We've got a low level WC, and then we have a bath. And over the bath, we've got a thermostatic shower, and the shower has a glass shower screen with it as well. So all pristine and brand new, and ready to move into. So we're going to have a quick look at the garden. So we step out into the rear garden from the kitchen. There's a little bit of a step down. The garden at the moment has all been reseeded, so the grass is all just taking in as we speak. And we've got a really big space out here. There's some harder standing or some shilly standing up the top. Perhaps if you've got any items maybe for sheds or playhouses or whatever, it's a perfect place to put them. The property backs onto an open playing field, so all very well maintained and nice and private for your house. And if we turn around, you can see there the length of the garden. So fantastic family home, fully refurbished, ready to move into. If you're interested, please get in touch with Hunters.